Alright, so I'm back making an update on my Sumo body, the Samurai, from Proline. So I have not only finished it, but I've already muddied it as well, as you might have seen on some of the videos. So I went with like an old brownie, dirty I don't know what color it is actually. It's that Tamiya color. So it's kind of I don't know, sand color, something like that. I managed to fit that gigantic 572 in it, and I mean, yeah, I'm speechless. It just looks so nice. And so I've started designing parts just for that car actually. I finished the front grille with the light buckets that are inside. I have LEDs, 3 LEDs on each side, so 4 whites and 2 orange for the blinkers. Super happy with the Boom Racing winch that I installed as well. Kept the bumper, the original CFX bumper. I was planning to change it, but actually this was just perfect for the winch. What else have I done? I did some sliders on the roof. You see, just to protect the roof, like, you know, it's got kind of a window on the top, so... Oh, my little baby here. Check this out. So that's my prototype motocompo. The design is actually finished. I have 2 top version, one with the handlebar sticking out like that, and another one when the top is folded. So the truck rolled over quite a few times so far. I kind of dinged one of the handles on the side, but so far it didn't break. So that's pretty good. Now I printed that in ABS. The latest one is going to be in PLA, but I think the strength is going to be pretty much similar. I don't know if you guys can see here, that's my switch for the winch. So it's kind of hiding behind the roll bar. You can't really see it, but it's really handy. It's easy to reach. I get all my accessories attached to that big mounting bar that I put at the back. That's kind of a roof rack that I originally designed for the roof, but it just looked silly with something that high over there, and I imagine with so many accessories on the top, it would just look like it was going to tumble a lot. It's really not that top heavy at the moment, I think, with the help of having all those things at the back as well. And so what did I put here? Yeah, I got 2 canisters. I put the mud guards over there. I got my sand ladders that I kind of dirtied. I weathered them a little bit with paint. My extinguisher, a spare 12-volt battery, and I have technically space to put more stuff, but you see I got the body post sticking out there, so I need to be able to reach the body post to remove the clips. And what else about that? Oh yeah, let me take the body out. I'll show you, because I'm starting to design and test print the interior, because everything looks really cool except that this inside is naked, and you know, you can't leave that naked on the inside. So mess of wire. Check it out. I don't know if you can see something. Yeah, so I don't have a steering wheel yet, but I've got my dashboard. So it's kind of you know, old school Suzuki Samurai dashboard. You can you see it from the side? Oh yes, you can. So that's gonna be pretty cool. It's a right-hand drive, you know, Japanese car. And that's pretty much it for where the truck is at right now. I did my first breakage since I own this CFX, and that was the drive shaft. It snapped right here. That little bit snapped. So I replaced it with the Boom Racing. Super nice fit. So those are pretty short. I forgot the size, 74/87 mm. I replaced the rear one. The front one was the one that broke last time when I think I was just stuck in the grass and the thing just snapped out. And so yeah, those guys have lived so far. I think they're gonna live much better than the plastic ones actually. And so I think that's pretty much it for the updates on that. One thing I did last time that I'm still not sure it's a good or bad idea. If it's after a run I realized like my ride was really bumpy, and I opened the shocks and all the oil was gone on the 4 corners. So I changed the shock oil, but I went a little bit nuts with I think this 2000 shock oil, way too thick, but it felt really nice on the trail last time. Now I haven't tested like crawling and going over rocks and obstacle, but it felt really good on the trail, which is, I don't know what to think of it, because it's like really slow up travel now. So I don't know, I think I'm gonna go to there is a local track called ACO that has like a nice scale trail with probably more obstacle than I'm gonna find just going to the wood locally. And then over there I can just test whether that's way too thick, which is, I think, obviously way too thick. And then just like play with different oil. I'll have time to do that over there. And so yeah, that's pretty much it for the update. Really happy with the body. Motocompo is completed, but it's a work in progress to have it in the store. Hopefully, I think by maybe mid-August or something, I'll have the model and the pricing and everything. Because I just think, come on, that's just so awesome to have this at the back of the car. And the one with the folded handlebar is going to be just even better and safer to drive around. So I'll say that's it for now, and I'll make some more videos when I'm on the trail again. See you next time. Bye bye.